Consumer rights and responsibilities. Our learning objectives are as follows. Number 1, by the end of the topic, learners should be able to cover the following: explain consumer rights, as well as to discuss their responsibilities as consumers. Don't forget to like this video, share with your classmates, and subscribe for more lessons. Number 1, what are consumer rights? Let me explain this concept. Consumer rights are the legal and moral entitlements that every consumer has when they purchase goods or services. These rights are meant to protect consumers from unfair treatment and ensure they get value of their money. These rights apply to everyone, whether rich or poor, young or old, so long as they buy goods or services. The main consumer rights. Here are the 8 key consumer rights that every person should know. Number 1, I'm going to explain right in the explanation. So I will start with right to safety. Consumers have the right to be protected from goods and services that may harm their health or life. Right to information. With this right, consumers should be given accurate and complete information about a product, that is, ingredients, expiry dates, prices, or instructions, etc., etc. The right to choose. Consumers should have a variety of products to choose from at competitive prices. The right to be heard. Consumers have the right to express their complaints or opinions and expect action from sellers or authorities. The right to redress. What do I mean here? If something goes wrong, the consumer has the right to a refund, repair, or a replacement. The right to consumer education. Consumers should be educated about their rights and how to make informed decisions. Right to health environment. Consumers have the right to live and work in a safe and clean environment. Right to satisfaction of basic needs. Every consumer has the right to access essential goods and services like food, clothing, shelter, healthcare, and education. What are consumer responsibilities? Just as consumers have rights, they also have responsibilities. This is very important. These are actions or behaviors expected from consumers to ensure fair and safe markets for everyone. The main consumer responsibilities include the following. Responsibility, and then I will give the explanation soon after the responsibility. Be aware. Consumers should take time to understand their rights and learn about products before buying. That is the responsibility of consumers. Number 2, check quality and expiry dates. They should always inspect items before purchasing. Responsibility to read labels and instructions. Consumers must follow instructions on how to use products properly. Responsibility to keep receipts. This is very, very important because keeping receipts is a proof of payment. In case something goes wrong, you need to return or complain. Responsibility to report unfair practices. Tell authorities or consumer protection agencies when treated unfairly. That is your responsibility. Use products safely. Use items as recommended to avoid accidents or damage, as we see on this guide. Don't waste resources. This is very, very important. Use water, electricity, food, and food wisely to protect the environment. Do not waste. Number 8, responsibility to pay fairly and honestly. This is very important. Always pay the correct amount for goods and avoid stealing or cheating. Number 5, why consumer rights and responsibilities matter. They help protect consumers from fraud, danger, and unfair treatment. They promote honest competition among sellers. They encourage responsible consumption, which benefits both the economy and the environment. They build trust between buyers and sellers. Summary. I'm going to summarize this concept stating the rights followed by responsibilities. The right to safety, that is use the products properly. Right to information, read labels and instructions, that is their responsibility. Right to choose, customers should buy wisely and responsibly. Right to be heard, give feedback or complain where necessary. Right to redress, their responsibility is they have to keep receipts and follow up on problems. The right to consumer education, their responsibility is stay informed and aware. Right to healthy environment. So consumer responsibility in this case is avoid polluting and wasting. Right to basic needs. The consumer responsibility now becomes help protect. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more, or visit our website mugombionlineschool.com and enroll for a full course. Thank you.